Hi, I'm your Miss Suja. So we'll begin with our next lesson. Our next lesson is about how to cut paper. So it's cutting activity, you are correct. So it's a cutting activity using the scissors. Today we are cutting the pattern V. So let's start this lesson. I have taken a cutting paper print, and this paper we shared with your parents, so it should be a V lines. Okay, we finished the straight lines. Today we are focusing on the V lines. So ask them to give this print for you, and the bowl and the scissors. So before we start with this lesson, those who master cutting the straight lines, you can see the fine straight lines. Yes, so you can cut it and you can keep the strips ready. If you are not able to cut the straight line continuously, you can ask your parents to cut it for you on this thin straight line. So let's start. You can see, friends, I have separated the V papers, strip papers from the big paper. So I cut it on the thin straight line and I made it like a pieces. So you can also do the same thing. You can run the scissor on the thin straight line and you can cut it, or you can take your parents' help. So we have 3 strips today, and you can continue cutting all the other papers and you can do the activity. So now you can see my paper strips are ready, friends. I'm taking one strip first and we are cutting today the shape V. So take the scissors, hold the strip and try cutting the paper on the dark black line. So try cutting on the line. So today we are cutting the shape V. Try cutting on the black line. Cut on the black line. We are taking out the shape V from the paper. Cut on the black line. I'm almost close to finish my paper. Cut on the black line. Cut on the black line. Can you see that I finished cutting all my V-shape papers? So after you finish cutting all the pieces, after you finish cutting all these papers, the shape V shape, you can challenge yourself by sticking all these pieces on a color paper or any craft paper. Hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Bye.